Right. So that's it. An introduction to NoSQL database. So maybe next class I will teach you Monday or Tuesday. Tuesday we have class, right? I will teach you like working with MongoDB, maybe creating collections, how to store data, how to retrieve data, and so on. And we'll have one lab exercise. The final lab exercise will be on working with NoSQL databases, where we'll be using MongoDB. So that's it for today's class. So any questions from the participants?
No, sir.
No,
Right.
sir. No question.
So unit 5, usually we
No,
teach
sir.
some advanced topics. So this, whatever we discuss is part of your elective course data analytics, which is offered in 6th semester. But I think we have to work on this now onwards. Now industry, they are using NoSQL, right? So 3 years back, like your seniors, they do visit us in the department, they do interact with us, so they advised us to take over NoSQL databases. So they gave some input, right, regarding in IBM research also they were using a lot of NoSQL databases, and they wanted us to teach or float it as at least a unit for BTech students, right? So since again it's a open source freeware, and like nowadays the thing is that for structured data, the relational model is the best model to store and represent the data. However, nowadays a lot of unstructured, quasi-structured data is evolving, and again we need to process it, right? So for NLP, for natural language processing applications, right, or for working with big data, we need to go for a new technology to store and retrieve the data. And NoSQL is a popular technology for working with this unstructured and quasi-structured data, right? So again, so even it's not part of your syllabus in this semester, you'll have to work on the lab, and you can also expect some questions in your final semester examinations in NoSQL databases, right? So that's it for today's class. So thank you for your participation. So we'll meet in the lab.
Yes,
Right.
sir. Thank you, sir.
So lab, I
Thank you,
think
sir.
we have some free app, XAMPP, something which can be used to integrate. So you can design a HTML form using HTML with some cascading style sheets or something, and we use PHP as a middleware to collect the data from the HTML form and store it in a backend database. So we have some products like XAMPP, which contains everything together as a. It also contains some web server where you can have some folders to store HTML pages, create databases, and so on. So you can explore it, and I think we have given only 2 modules: insert module to insert the details of a blood donor, and select module to display the blood donor with a particular blood group. So hope you can implement this within a single lab class, right? So see
Yes,
you
sir.
in the afternoon session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.